Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. If you haven't joined us before, my name's Brian. This is Hogshooter Hot Rods, and today we're going to take and work on finishing getting this hood aligned. I made a video here a while back, and we got the thing pretty close as far as it almost pops up where you can grab it and open it, but not quite. So we're close up here, but the back corners, these things, we got a little issue here. The other side's not quite as bad, but this side is way up. So we're going to see if we can take this thing and do a little adjusting and move those hinges down and get it where it fits. If it doesn't fit, we may have to take the hinges off and work on the holes so we can make adjustment. I have done several of these trucks, and it just varies on how much work it takes to get these hoods to fit good. But hey, I know we can get it done. So sit back and get ready. So on these hinges, you have they're 3/8, 9/16 headed bolts. One in the front, 2 back here. I don't know how well the light's going to let you see that, but there's 3 bolts there. And I'm just going to take my impact and get it going the right direction. Loosen these things up a little bit. So now I have the back loose. I'm going to loosen the front. Woo, hope it doesn't kill me. Then I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to wiggle it. You saw it drop. I saw it drop. It came down a bunch. Let's see if we can get you guys situated here. That's not too bad of a spot for you, I don't think. Okay, then we're going to in. Oh yeah, it moved down a ton. And in. Come on, darling. All right, loud. Now, so it is tough when you're the lone wolf McQuaid out here trying to do everything on your own. But man, look at that. That is so much better. I mean, if I can get it to latch and it stay down that much, I'm gonna call that good. It's always good when things go simple. So this side of our hood, it's not nearly as bad, but hey, if I can drop that down and get it to look like the other side, we're going to give it a try at least. So let's drop this side down. All right, so we're back here and got it pretty darn close. Got a little bit gap up here now. That's always good. We want to have a little gap going down the sides. She gets a little bit tight right here. It is down. I didn't have to push that down or anything. It's actually just a hair low on this side, but I do need to do a little manipulation here, maybe get a little bit more gap. I don't have the bumpers down inside of here yet, but I do have brand new ones to put in it. So that's always what we need to do. And then look at this. You like pull that up. I can actually get my hand underneath the hood now to open the thing. So that is just awesome. It takes a little bit of force to get it to shut, but hey, it shuts, it opens. Yeah. So if I would have just taken the time to move those hinges like back in the beginning of this, I would have already been done and the hood would have fit great. I just didn't take the time to do the final adjustment. It literally took me 5 minutes to do that. When you first start out putting the hood on, it's going to take a little bit. You get the doors on the cab, the fenders aligned to the doors on both sides, then fit the hood loosely to that, then start in with the old cowl panel and make sure it fits good. At any rate, simple job.